Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sharing this video with you today, and by the title of the video you already know that I am going to be unboxing an item with you. So the item came in the mail yesterday and I thought I should make a video to show you how I unboxed the item and show you what the item looks like, and just give you like a little bit of background story about the item, like why I got it and why it's like so precious to me. Before I proceed, I would like to say thank you if you are a subscriber, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking the video. I make videos like this. I make videos about fashion, some luxury items, beauty products, and I vlog sometimes, so thank you so much for clicking the video again. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button at the bottom of this video, and overall, if you like this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So here is the item right beside me. It's in the box. Like I said, it came in the mail yesterday, so I still have it in the box. But before I open it, I'd like to give you like a little background story. So this item, I mean, it's just, I started seeing it on people, and I'm like, I think I like it, and it's a piece that I started to fall in love with, like just by seeing other people using the pouch, So I'm like, oh my goodness, I love this. So the first time, innocently, I just jumped on the Louis Vuitton website and I found out that I have to call for the availability of the pouch. So I'm like, okay, one of those pieces, like Pochette Métis, they actually have some of their bags like that they really don't make. I don't know why they are scarce. If we want to talk about the items that are popular, like the Neverfull, like the Hammer, like the Speedy, those ones are the ones that are supposed to be scarce, because I mean, I don't want to say everybody has it, like most people have it, so those are the items that one would expect that you should not be able to find randomly, like if you want to buy. But they still have those items, like you can easily go to their website and put those items in your cart and order them. But this item, along with some other ones, they are just scarce. So innocently I actually went, tried to buy like normal, and it was like instead of saying place in the cart, it said call for availability. So I said okay. Then I picked up my phone and I called, and the essay that I spoke with, like I had to speak with, like sometimes when you call like a Louis Vuitton essay, you really don't get them in their best moods every time, so, and which is expected, not just Louis Vuitton, like some other essays like for other companies. So I'm like, okay. So the first one I got with was like it had a stock, and that was it. But the second one I spoke with, like I left it. Then a couple of days after, I called again, and the next person I spoke with actually explained to me that this item is like a popular item and I might not find it anytime soon. Like they actually just come in stock and go out of stock. It comes in stock and goes out of stock. I'm like, okay, once you guys know this, why don't you make more of it? And she was like, she's as innocent as I am, like she doesn't know, I'm like, okay, whatever. So whenever I see people traveling, I've actually sent like 3 people. So one of my colleagues was traveling to Dubai. I asked her to check for me. She didn't see one. Another one of my friends was going to the UK. She didn't see any either. I even sent a guy and he did not say, like he actually went to the store with a picture and he didn't, and there was none in stock. So the last time I sent someone was someone that was traveling to where did she go now? I just know she was traveling out of the country. Like whenever I see anybody going out of the country, I live in the US. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. So whenever I see anyone going out of the country, I just use that opportunity to ask them, please, this is a piece that I'm looking for. If you find it, just let me know ASAP. I'm ready to pay, Not like I did not find it anywhere in the US. Like if you go on pre-loved websites, if you go on eBay, you would see this item. This item is actually on those sites. But the problem is, it's actually the difference between the price they are trying to sell and the retail price is like $300. And I'm like, why would I pay $300 extra for a bag, a purse, a pouch? it's not a do or die affair. Not like I don't have other pouches. I do have other pouches, and I just had the belief that when it's time, I'll find the item. I just had the belief, you know. Even in Canada, like I had a friend in Canada that went to check for me. She didn't find it. The UK one was actually 3 people in the UK, you know. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stop looking for this stuff. I just was online this fateful morning, and this fateful morning was just 2 days ago. So 2 days ago, I got to work. I was the first person in my office, and I just logged on. I logged on, and the last site that I browsed on my personal laptop was Louis Vuitton. So I just went on. I'm like, one man just told me check toiletry pouch 26, and trust me, that would probably be the 1500th time that I've checked that item on that website. You know, like I check it randomly anytime. Like check. Not available, out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. So it's only saying out of stock, but I still keep checking anyways. So at the point I'm like, hey, hold on, wait a minute, this is getting ridiculous. Can you just stop? So I had to speak to myself to stop hunting for this thing, for this item. So I'm like, okay, you know what, when it's time, I will get it. Like when it's my own time, I'm gonna get this item. I was just 2 days ago, I got into the office, logged into my personal laptop, and just Googled. I was looking for something. I was looking for, like I said, I'm trying to buy an item. So I was looking for that item. So I wasn't looking for this one, but my mind just told me browse for this one. Then I just typed it in, Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26, because this one actually comes in 3 sizes. There is 15, 19, and 26, I believe. So as soon as I clicked on it, I just saw place in the cart. I'm like, am I dreaming? I had to look around me. I'm like, I'm in the office, I'm not dreaming. Okay, I placed it in the cart. I saw the option. I didn't have to log in with my own personal profile. I usually like to buy my things under my name, under my profile, but in this case I'm like, no, I'm not gonna log in. I'll just order straight like that. So I saw the PayPal option. I just selected PayPal. It took me straight to my PayPal, logged into my PayPal, and I made payment, and it went through, and I received confirmation email, and I'm like, is this a joke? But at the point, you know, I just called my husband. I'm like, babe, guess what? You know, and I told him, and I was like, really? And I was expecting them to call me and tell me, sorry, something happened in error, there was a glitch, you know, blah 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 blah. I didn't get no call. The next thing, I got an email like, your item has been shipped. And in my mind, I'm like, are these people sure they shipped my item? You know, like, trust me, believe me, till now I have actually not looked at the item. Like, it's just right there in the box. Like, what if I open it and it's not what I think it is? I just hope not. Like, I just hope not. So enough of the story. Let me just show you this item. So I kind of want to tell you how I got it. So in case you're also in my shoes, you just don't give up. Just continue to stalk their website, and you might be lucky and you might get it. And if you have a vacation planned, maybe going outside of the country, I'd advise that you should just wait. You might be able to get it outside of the country as well. So yeah, I'm sorry for the long story. I really don't know how long I've been talking for. I hope it's not too long. However, let's just jump right into the unboxing thing. So yeah, it came in this box, and you know, I opened it up. I had to make sure it was from Louis Vuitton, because if you look from outside, it doesn't say from Louis Vuitton. So here it is. So I'm just gonna bring it out of the box. So in the box, I have my receipt, you know, so I have a receipt, I have a flyer for their jewelry collection. Then in the receipt, I have like a return label. When I saw the return label, I was like, return what? I'm not returning nothing. Like, I'm not gonna return it anyway. So, I mean, even if it's bad, I will send it in for fix. I will take it to the store for them to fix it. I'm very, very sure I'm not gonna return it. So I saw the return label, I'm like, whatever. So I think this is my receipt, and you know, the other whatever cards that actually comes with it. So yes, that's this one. I'm flipping it over. This is the item. Yeah. Just gonna set that aside, and this is it. So I think this is it though. I was just hoping so bad that it's the one, but yes, it is the one. And yes, so this is the item right here. Like, this is the item that has been giving me so much. I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to let the camera focus now so you can see this side of it. So if you look at this side, the LV is actually standing straight, but if you look at the other side, the LV is kind of turning to the bottom. So this is what the bottom looks like, and this is what the side looks like. So it's actually a toiletry pouch that you're supposed to put your toiletries in, but people wear it as a clutch, and that's what I want to wear it as. The purpose of trying to look for this item is to be able to wear it as a clutch. So, and I mean, I would not stress myself so hard to get an item and use it for toiletries. Like, seriously, I can practically put my toiletries in a plastic bag. Yes, like, I'm not gonna use this one for no toiletries. So this is what the inside looks like. It's just plain like so. This one is made in Spain. So this is actually gonna be my first made in Spain Louis Vuitton piece. So yeah, this is it. As simple as this. But it's cute, right? Yes, it is cute, and that's why I got it. That's why I had to have it. And you know what? My hard work has paid off. You know, I didn't give up. I kept on trying and trying and trying, and I got it. So, and you know, I was like so excited to receive it. This actually came under a day. So I believe it's probably somewhere near me already. Like, I ordered it on a Thursday and I got it on Friday. Like, it was as fast as that. So yeah, so this is the item, and that's all about it. It's so plain basic, and you know, so that's the item. So I will use this. Like, I'm gonna get a good use of it. I'm gonna use it a lot and let you know how it holds up. But that's that about this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking your time to listen to my story, and thank you for, you know, unboxing the item with me. So I hope to be back again to share with you how it has held up, you know, with as many use as I get out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and remain blessed. Peace.